In this lesson, we will verify the installation for our Eclipse environment. So I will start now Eclipse. So Eclipse is started. I can launch my workspace. This is fine. So it has started. UFT developer engine is started as well. And what I can see now compared to, for example, with Visual Studio, I have a separate menu item with the object identification center. I have the test recorder, the mobile connection, as well as service virtualization and the tool. So the installation is valid. I could now potentially check if the object identification is working. So let's do that. So now the object identification will be started and I can now spy on the different objects. So you can see my multi-spy mode is on. That's the reason why I can spy multiple objects. By default, it is turned off. So you can see here exactly allow multiple spying is turned on. And in this case, now as I've started this OIC object identification center from Eclipse, the languages which are being used here are either JavaScript or Java. For .NET or Visual Studio, it would be C# or Java. And once I have those objects, I could highlight them to see, okay, if it's not only I'm able to spy them, but I can also view those objects. So this is good. And you can see it is working. So from the installation perspective, this looks fine.